Hello everyone. Welcome to Sklearning C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore the difference between EXE and DLX is an executable file and can run by itself as an application, whereas DLL is usually consumed by a EXE or by another DL, and we cannot run or execute DL directly. For example, in .NET, compiling a console application or a Windows application generates EXE, whereas compiling a class library project or an ASP.NET web application generates DLL. In .NET Framework, both EXE and DLL are called as assemblies. EXE stands for executable, and DL stands for Dynamic Link Library. EXE allocates its own memory and runs as a separate process. DL shares memory with the calling EXE, reducing redundancy and improving efficiency. EXE, if an EXE file is modified, the entire application must be updated. DL, a DL can be updated separately without modifying the main application.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.